king modulation. Let me work it out a little bit. Let me worldwide. Let me bump it up a little. Worldwide. Sound king modulation. The man with the master plan of the Midas touch. Oh, being a stock mic. Being a stock mic 80 got down.
The master plan.
Where you go?
Trinitron 9, riding the waves and walking on the water. Good evening on the band. Trinitron 9, riding the waves and walking on the water.
My apologies. Hey, Trin, thank you. And like I said, you were in the nick of time, dude. I had the whole table shut down. I have the bed all set up, everything over there waiting for me. Hey, Trin, I'm going horizontal for a while. Thank you.
Carlos?
What are you gonna do? Go take a nap?
421?
Yeah, what are you gonna do over there? You gonna take a nap or what?
No break. Hey, listen. When I heard your video game yesterday, I had to make a change in this radio. So I'm hoping I can get a quartet again today. You know what I mean? I was a little out of whack. So I redid it, and I'm gonna leave it this way till I hear it. Hey, 351, I'm waving at you. Me and this bad cat 880. Go ahead.
Hey, 127. You know how stuff goes. It's all about conditions in Mother Nature, and someone else's antenna compared to yours, and me switching from vertical to flat, and whatever works best to the person I'm talking to. Man, there's a lot of variables in there, There's a lot of people trying to key up and do some talking, think they're on top or whatever, but stuff don't always work that way. Sometimes it's all about who I want to be on top. I could get you there, you know what I'm saying? It's not always like they're thinking, like the video gate always showing. The video gate always don't tell the truth. I could turn my antenna, I could flip the flat side, vertical side, I can manipulate my antenna in such a manner I could make somebody weak if I really wanted to, but I wasn't trying to do that now.
Yeah, well, that's what I was going to explain to you guys.
Amen.
That's right.
You wonder why a certain guy can key on a certain guy?
Not you or your the radio was on target, and I didn't like what I heard, so
somebody out there realizes that.
And maybe I can get a sound of it today, and maybe I might have it where I want it. It's looking good on the meter. I guess I can put I was concerned about the sound quality of that, everyone.
Well, when you don't have the signal, you don't have the sound quality. If the signal's up there, you're gonna have better sound quality. It's just the way it is, like I said, all that stuff can be manipulated and all. And of course, another thing too is you're not on top of some tall hill in Jersey or something with a stretched out beam or nothing like that. So it just is what it is. Hey, 127, have a good day. Your friend in Florida waving and back wild.
Hey, you ever and enjoy what's left of that holiday.
Tell him you hear this guy, tell him you hear that guy. That's another way to eat cheat too. Don't forget about that. That's important, man.
Maybe I got lucky. Maybe my father wants me to wake up.
I got you.
Hey, 127, you ain't sitting on 7 dBs now. You over 9, so you'll see on the video gate. I did click the record button when you were on there, so man, I get back with you.
Exact same time. I've never seen you eat him the way you just ate him. So Mother Nature was on your side for that one. But I thank you, 351. Very big help you are, and yeah, man, they actually do help out, and I believe they do help people, get their stuff where they want it,
It does help, but it's more like an average figure, you know what I mean? It's not always like you're thinking, though. And like I said, it can be manipulated. I could turn my antenna out to the west, I could turn it to the east, I could flip from vertical, I can go to the flat side. And just because your flat side don't mean it works best on my flat side to me. You might be coming in better vertical, it's hard to say. But we get back with you. Take care. Happy Memorial Day. Your 351 Scout.
That's good, 351. I'm glad somebody out there realizes it, man. That's right. Everything you said is 100% correct. And when they can't cheat, they go 10-7. That's just how it is. That's just how it is. Your 2x4 Jersey Shore break.
Check.
A 2x4, if you got the right technology, you just put a repeater there a couple miles away from the receiving station, and it is what it is, and they gone.
Oh, absolutely. I'm listening to you, man. You're 100% correct.
No water, right in the way.
Right there, 2x4, real good copy too, man. You'll be on the video gate, and at Trinitron 9 also, good evening time over there. Your friend around Florida on top of the sand hill, working my microburst technology, and I'm gone.
Take your 3-5.
It's good to know that somebody out there thinks alike and knows about old cheating out there. That's good. Very good. I'm moving by the way. I didn't mean to interrupt your video gate there. Well, in my hand, you're 351, you're 2x4 on the Jersey Shore.